Okay, so today we are going to open up an LOL surprise light pet. You get 9 surprises and it's got a real hair. So let's start. So we're going to take the first layer off. We've got this like sticker, and it's be a star because there's a bee and a star. Okay. Okay, so now let's take the second layer of surprise. Okay, and we have a black and red ball. So let's see what's inside. So in here we have got some of these. We've got something. We've got this little leaflet. So like shows us what we've got. Okay, and we've got some instructions. And let's open the first bag. Okay, so in this bag we've got a cute little water bottle with a missing sign on it. And in the second bag, we have got 4 cute little shoes. Okay, so we're gonna open the bag. And here we have got like a pizza thing. I don't know what it really is. And then in this bag we have got a cute little outfit. It's really cute. And we have some. We have a hairbrush. A cute hairbrush. And in this one we have like a hair clip, bow hair clip. That was a pizza. And in this last bottle we have a flashlight, which we are going to use it. Okay, so in the other half of the bowl, the black half, we have got our pets. We got a face. Okay, let's see what's inside. We have something like a poodle. Okay, so let's try to take some of his hair off. I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to do this. I don't exactly know how to do this. Okay, we'll find it out soon. Okay. Okay, so we can take this off here because we got some of it. Okay. And I'm trying to take this one off, but it's not really working. Okay, there we go. Is that glued on? Okay, that's glued on. And we're just gonna untwist it. I'm gonna carry on with these bits. Okay, where's the end of it? I don't know where the end is. Okay, it's like here. Okay, here it is. Okay, I'm gonna try. Okay, so then there's like this bit there. We are going to try to take off. Okay, there we go. So this is actually like coming off now. Should I take this piece off? Okay, I'm just gonna see if there's like any more to take off. I don't think so. I think that's a real hair. Okay, so we have. Okay, so we have. I think it's like a skunk, and now we can. And it's got a dark snake. Now we can add some of the accessories. So we're gonna add. Okay, so first, okay, it's just gonna fall over. Okay, so first we are going to add the clothes. I don't exactly know how this is gonna work. I think it looks like this. Okay. So let's try to get this on. Okay, there's the one here. Probably starts like this. Okay, so we're gonna get the feet in. If we can get the feet in. Okay, so let's try again. Okay, so that seriously won't go on. Okay, let's try from the front. And it's just okay, so I'm gonna have like a little help putting this on. Okay, so while we're waiting for that, we can explore this like little cute bottom, and then we got a pizza hair clip, bow hair clip, shoes, and we've got like this flashlight that I think makes it glow in the dark. It's really cool. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay. Wait, pause. Okay, just keep the flashlight. Okay, so now this top is on. Now we can add the shoes, because this looks really cool. Now we're going to add the shoes. Okay, so we're going to add the back shoes first. And they have like left and right on them. So that's really cool. Okay. So now we can add, no, she looks like this. We can add the hair clips into her hair. I don't know if this is Carol Skunk. Into her hair. Okay, so I'm gonna try like add this one into here. Okay, so she's got like a little bow at the front. I don't know if you can see it. Just like there. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can see it, I think. Okay, so then the other side we are going to add the pizza. Okay, now she has a bow and a pizza in her hand. And now we can try it. She's gonna drink her bottom. And now we can dry her hair because it's a bit frizzy. Okay, so now we can try to go in the dark, but it might not. If it doesn't work, don't worry, because it's like nearly lunchtime. And it only works in the dark, so it doesn't matter if it doesn't work. So we're gonna try to do this. I think that's gonna be good. I don't know if this is gonna go in the dark. I don't know if it is gonna actually work. I don't know. It's meant to be going in the dark, but I didn't see how it is gonna be dark. Dark. Can you hold it? Hold this. Okay. And that's it for now. Good. See you next time. And subscribe down below. See you next time. Remember to watch the next unboxing video on Ava's Weekly LOL. Goodbye for now.